So here's router 2. Show run. No quality of service configuration has been configured on this router. Interface that we're working on is serial 020. So on router 2, class map, we could use different names here, but I'm going to use the same names. We've got a class map for voice. Here we need to match on DSCP. So match IP DSCP EF per these instructions. We're going to set the IP precedence to 5, but that needs to be done in the policy map. Next class is HTTP. So class map HTTP match IP DSCP AF31 class map ICMP match IP DSCP AF11. So on router 2, we are matching DSCP values. We are not using NBAR. We are going to read the DSCP values of packets received on the serial interface, and then we're going to do something with it, such as remark the DSCP values. So I'll create a policy map called remark. The first class that we're going to match is voice, and we're told to set the IP precedence to 5. So set precedence, and notice the words. We could either use the word critical, or we could use a value such as 5. So here I'm going to specify critical, but notice what happens. Do show run. It's been changed to the number 5. So either will work, but in the output you'll see numbers. So you could either enter critical or 5, but it gets converted to the number. Class HTTP. Set precedence, and we've been told to set the precedence to 3. Class ICMP, and here we're going to set the precedence to routine or 0. So again, show run. Here are our class maps matching different traffic types. Here's our policy map where we're changing the DSCP values. In other words, we are rewriting the type of service field or TOS field in the IP header and using precedence rather than DSCP values. Next step is to bind the policy map. So interface serial 020, service policy inbound or input, in this case, remark. So we've completed the configuration. There are our class maps. Here's our policy map. Scrolling down, here's the service policy bound to the serial interface. I'll save the router configuration. So now that we've configured the routers, we need to verify that things are working as expected. So on router 1, show policy map, enter. Here's our policy map called mark. This is what we've configured on the policy. But let's look at the statistics of the policy on this interface. What you'll notice at the moment is there are no matches for voice. There are no matches for HTTP. There are no matches for ICMP. On router 2, show policy map. There's our policy map. Let's look at the binding on serial 020. So this command shows us that there are no matches for voice, no matches for HTTP, no matches for ICMP. Default class is seeing matches. Same over here, we've got matches on the default class. Default class matches anything that we've not specifically specified in our policy map. So in other words, OSPF routing updates would match the default policy because we haven't specified matching of OSPF in our policy map. And any other traffic that's being used across the network would also match the default class. Okay, so let's send some traffic. On PC 1, open up a web browser. I'm going to open up a web browser to cisco.com. Click go, and there you go. We have connected to cisco.com. On router 1 previously, we had no matches for HTTP traffic. Look at the policy again. Notice we are now getting matches for HTTP. Go to facebook.com. Show policy map. The number of matches has increased from the previous show command. Previously we had 72 packets match the class. Now we have 140 packets that match the class. Click go again. Notice we now have 206 packet matches. On router 2, show policy map interface serial 020. Notice we've got matches on HTTP, but no matches on ICMP. Open up a web browser on PC 2. Go to cisco.com. On router 2, we previously had 206 matches. Now we've got 275 matches. Go to facebook.com. Now we have 341 matches. So the policy map is working on both router 1 and router 2. We are matching HTTP traffic. Back on router 1, open up a command prompt and I'll ping cisco.com. Before I press enter, on router 1, there are no matches on ICMP traffic. On router 2, no matches on ICMP traffic. Press enter. Look at the policy map on router 1 again. Notice we can see 3 packet matches. Router 2, 4 packet matches. Go back to router 1, 4 packet matches. Do something similar on PC 2. Ping facebook.com. On router 1, 8 packet matches. Router 2, 8 packet matches. So the quality of service policies are working for ICMP traffic as well.